And it ended up being a thing where
this one's gonna be nice. This is gonna be the next top seller.
so I can show customer. Go ahead and attach it. You can
I'm
see.
gonna go in from the bottom first, from the top panels. Make sure it's in there. The magnet's gonna attach.
Yes, make sure it's leveled.
Yeah. There you go. So now it's flush in there.
Yeah, it looks like the factory does a good job with making sure that was leveled.
Got it. Oh, this right here? Yeah. Got it. It's secure. Got it.
Yeah, we're gonna see. It could be real flush. That's good that the factory is coming out with these doors already leveled too.
And then we have these clips that are gonna go on the top. One on the far left and one on the far right.
And then you remove those with the little suction handle. Let me see the little suction handle. You remove those clips and suck this first, like that. And then you can pull the handle off and replace it. So it comes with it.